This is how to make the taskbar icon smaller. So we're going to right click our desktop right here, go to personalize. On the left, we're going to hit taskbar. Right here it says use small taskbar buttons. If we hit that, you can now see our taskbar icons are super small now compared to this. If you'd like to know how to customize and go more into detail, you can go to how do I customize taskbars right here. It'll open a browser and you can scroll through to see what you can really customize. I'm going to go ahead and press on select which icons appear on the taskbar. And these will basically minimize what options are on the right side right here. So if I wanted to enable Steam, now Steam is right there. Disable it, it is not there anymore. The next one, turn system icons on or off. This is kind of like the same thing. The volume icon right here, you can click on that and it is now gone away. That is how to make the taskbar icon smaller in Windows 11.